Right, I'm going to try this with a few things already written down. This is the stuff that you missed from class this week on electron configurations. Basically what we do is we try to write out kind of the map of where electrons are located, and we use the periodic table to do that. So you need to label a few things on here. The periods 1 through 7 on both sides. You need to move helium over so it's on the top of this column. You need to mark these two columns S, the center 10 here D, these over here P, and then the bottom F. And then also label 3D, 4D, 5D, 6D, 4F, 5F. So if you want to pause the video, go ahead and pause the video and get all those things labeled on your periodic table, and then we'll continue on to the next thing. So what you do now is we're going to start with something like beryllium. So a pretty simple configuration here. You always have to fill your first energy level first. So we always write 1 down first. Then we write S, because that's the section that we're in, that's our orbital. And then each box represents an electron. So we would write 1s2, since there's going to be 2 boxes here. And it looks just like this. We would write 1s2. Now if we were mapping beryllium, we would then move down here to the second row. This is our second energy level. We write 2s, and then again 2, because we're in the second box here. So it would look just like this. This would be the configuration for beryllium. Then if we were going to move to the next energy level and the third energy level for phosphorus, you can see here we write exactly the same thing to start with. We fill the first energy level, 1s2. We fill the second energy level, S section here, 2s2. But now we move over here, we follow our atomic numbers, and now we're in 2, but we're in the P section. And if you'll notice, there's 6 boxes here. So that's why we write 2p6 down. Then we would move to the third energy level, because the phosphorus is in the third energy level. We write 3s2, because we're over here, right, 3s2. Then again, we follow our atomic numbers over to this side. We're in the third box here, so we're in the third row, third energy level, P section, third box over. So that would be represented 3p3. So that's phosphorus. Hang in there, it'll get easier as we go here. Next one is iron. So again, you'll notice we're going to do exactly the same thing we've already done. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p, but now it's 3p6 because we're filling all 6 of these boxes to be able to move to the fourth energy level. So you should start seeing this pattern. So then we come down to the fourth energy level, it's 4s2. We write that down. And then here is the 3d. So these are 1 energy level lower than the S. So 3d, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3d6, so this is going to be iron. Next one, we are going to go to bromine. So you can see I write exactly the same thing till I get to the 3d. And this time I'm going to write 3d10 because I'm going all the way to the end here to fill all 10 of those boxes. Then I'm into the 4p section, and I'm 5 boxes over, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I end with 4p5. So this would be bromine. So again, you'll see that all configurations start with exactly the same pattern over and over and over again. Let's see, 5d4. So we're going to do tungsten next. We're going to go all the way down here to the 6th energy level. So again, you can see I started with 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d10, then 4p6. 5th energy level is 5s2, these 2 boxes, then 4d10, because we're going to fill all 10 of these boxes here. Then we're going to do 5p6, because we're going to go all the way and fill all of those, so we're at 5p6. We come down to the 6th energy level, 6s2, these 2 boxes here. And if you look now at the atomic number, we have to go from barium here down to 4f. All right, that's where we need to go because of the atomic numbers. These fit right up in here. So we now go down to lanthanum, which is 4F. There are 14 boxes across here. So we write 4F14. Then we come back up here and we have 5D, and then we're 4 boxes over, so it's 5D4. Okay. 7th energy level would work exactly the same. 7s2, and then we would go down from radium all the way down here to 5f. I can't find my pen. So we would go down from radium to 5F and then count across that way. Okay, so that was your introduction to electron configuration.